I mean, I think it's obviously a really good positive for us. After a not so good night in Arizona, so obviously playing a really, really good team. We have a little bit to figure out, injury-wise, but obviously they play very fast. They, just got Nate back tonight, gives them a big push. I thought we defended really well and just tried to limit their time and space. And like you said, it's a big win for us to end this road trip off against a good team and get back home.
Can you take us through the goal there? It looked like you guys took it up to your chest, then something to the face before on that entire shift.
Yeah, I don't know. Just playing and times out there and just trying to break through it. I'm just trying to check a little bit and closer guy to maybe make a play that he's not comfortable with, and really move this next year to jump it. Give me a lot of time for it and just trust me.
I know there are bigger things at play for you and the team, but what does it mean to be on the cusp of 500 before the end of
yeah, it's cool. I mean, a lot of credit goes to all the guys on the team, and I've been fortunate to play on really good teams year after year and competitive teams. So, it's definitely not as much of an individual accomplishment as it is as a team accomplishment. So, myself and Michi closing on that, and they're really nice accomplishments. But obviously, we're working towards something bigger than that, and we're just continuing to push.
Ruby has had some big nights. We hope you have some big nights against coaches as a Ranger. How were you able to get them early?
I thought we just picked up a lot of pace, especially early on, and I just tried to limit their time and space. Their team obviously they play very fast and with a lot of speed and skill, and they're heavy on that. They play both on the rush and consistently go over off the as well. So I thought we broke out clean for the most part and just limited their time and space and tried to push them to the outside as much as possible.